guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to use eggshells on plants as fertilizers. If you want to know how, keep watching. And if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, subscribe below and click the bell button so you will be notified of my upcoming videos.
Eggs are delicious and healthy, and if you like eggs so much, I guess you have many eggshells at home. So instead of throwing these into the trash can, make use of these eggshells for your garden. Do you know that eggshells contain minerals such as calcium carbonate, magnesium, nitrogen, and 24 other elements? Yes, eggshells have these minerals, and calcium is the most abundant. Calcium is vital in plants' cell walls. If humans have bones, plants have cell walls. Calcium strengthens and thickens the plant's cell walls.
How to make eggshell fertilizers. Let's put our eggshells to our plants. I'm done putting all the eggshells in the plants. So I hope you learned something today, guys. Until my next video. Bye bye.